dent and broken wheel. Wheel looks good, no crack, no damage. All the touching parts are present, no crack, no damage. Both wheel looks good, no crack, no damage. Inside wheel looks good, no crack, no damage, and all the touching parts are present, looking good. There is no evidence of imminent wheel up or bearing failure. My question is done.